8. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. Now you have to find out again the least number, but which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 it always leave remainder as 5. So here again I'll find out LCM of these three numbers. So first of all I'll divide these three numbers by 2. 2 3s are 6, 15 comes as it is, as it doesn't come in the table of 2. 2 9s are 18. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Again divide by 3, 1 comes as it is, 5 comes as it is, 1, 3 1s are 3. Now divide by 5, 1 comes as it is, 5 1s are 5 and 1. Now what is LCM? LCM is the product of these factors. 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. Now this is the number which we have got. This is the least number, but as the question is that it leaves remainder 5 every time and it will be divided by 6, 15 or 18. So to find out the number, we'll add 5 in 90. 90 plus 5 is 95. So 95 is the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 will leave remainder as 5 always. Question number 9. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So again you have to find out the smallest 4-digit number divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Again I'll take the LCM of 18, 24 and 32. 2 9s are 18, 2 12s are 24, 2 16s are 32. Again by the table of 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 16 comes as it is. 3 1s are 3, 4 and 16 as it is. Now in the table of 2 we can divide 4 and 16. So 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Now we are left with this. 1 comes as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again by 2 1 1 and 2 2s are 4. Again by 2 1 1 and 1. Now what is LCM? We have to multiply all the factors. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are, I think 32 3s are is 96, 96 3s are is 288. Now LCM is 288. So to find out the smallest number, I'll find the multiples of 288. 208 multiplied by 1 is 288. 288 multiplied by 2 is 576. 288 multiplied by 3 is 864. As I have to find out the smallest 4-digit number, so I'll still continue multiplying 288. 288 multiplied by 4 is 1152. Now here I have got the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Now in question number 10, again you have to find the LCM. Here a pair of numbers are given to you. You have to observe a common property in the obtained LCM. Is LCM the product of two numbers in each case? So here, first of all, you have to find out LCM of 9 and 4. See what you will get. 3 3s are 9, 4 comes as it is. Again, we'll divide 3 by 3, 3 1s are 3, 4 comes as it is. Now we'll divide by 2. 2, 1 as it is, 2 2s are 4. Again by 2, 1 and 1. So here LCM is 3 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 2. So we'll get 36. Now in the B part you have to find out the LCM of 12 and 5. 2 6 are 12, 5 comes as it is. 2 3s are 6, 5 comes as it is. 3 1s are 3, 5 comes as it is. 5 divide by 5 now. 1 and 1. Now here LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. You'll get here LCM is 60. Okay. Now you can see here the LCM is the product of these two numbers. You can see here LCM is the product of these two numbers. 12 5s are 60, 9 4s are 36. Now how is it possible? Always remember, whenever you have to find out the LCM of the numbers which are a pair of co-primes. Now here you can see there is no common factor of 9 and 4. So LCM will always be the product of these two numbers. I repeat, if you have to find out the LCM of those two numbers which are a pair of co-primes. These are a pair of co-primes. So their LCM is their product only. That is 9 multiplied by 4 is equals to 36. C part, LCM of 6 and 5. So 2 3s are 6, 5 comes as it is. Now divide by 3. 3 1s are 3, 5 comes as it is. 5 se karenge 1 and 1. LCM is again 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. That is 30. Now here again you can see 6 5s are 30. Here again LCM is 30. That is the product of these two numbers. And why is it so? Because these two numbers form a pair of co-prime. That means their common factor is 1 only. That is why their LCM is their product. In part D, you have to find out LCM of 15 and 4. Again you will take the LCM. Here again you can see 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60. Again you have got LCM 60, which is the product of these two numbers. Why? Because these two numbers again form a pair of co-primes. Number 11. Find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. What do you observe in the results obtained? Here again you will find the LCM of the numbers. Let us take A part, 5 and 20. So first you have to find out the LCM of 5 and 20. You will divide first by 5, as 5 is the common factor. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Again now we will divide by 2, as 4 comes in the table of 2. 1 comes as it is, 2 2s are 4. Again by 2, 1 and 1. So what is LCM? 5 multiply 2 multiply 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. In B part, 6, 18. You have to find the LCM of 6 and 18. 3 is the common factor. 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18. Again by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now by 3, 1 and 1. LCM is 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Now 12 and 48. 3 is the common factor among 12 and 48. 3 4s are 12. And 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Here 1 will go here. 18, it will become 18. 3 6 are 18. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now LCM is again 48. In D part, you have to find out LCM of 9 and 45. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 1 will go here, 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Again divide by 5. 1 comes as it is. And 5 1s are 5. Here again LCM is 45. Now from all these LCM, what you are observing here, LCM is the bigger number. LCM is the bigger number. So whenever you have to find out LCM of any two numbers, LCM of any two numbers, and one number is the factor of the other, so LCM will be the bigger number out of the two. Okay, I repeat, whenever you have to find out the LCM of the numbers which are factor of the, and one number is factor of the other, then there the LCM will be the bigger number. Thank you and have a nice day.